Plenty of room in this shower.
So we happened into this little Regency. We've never been in one.
It's like an outdoor shower. I'm looking at the sky.
So this is an option that we're not actually going to consider. We are in a holiday Rambler. For those of you who don't know, that's the same thing as a Fleetwood Bounder.
35 GL.
35 GL, so it's a mid-entry, which is beautiful. And it's such a cool floor plan, but it does shrink down your living area. We're not going to consider it because the price and what you get for it. So this is a brand new model. Both slides are off kilter because there's scuff marks on the floor. We've had that happen before, but it lets you know your slide's not in alignment. The floors are pretty scuffed. There's broken drawers. Brand new unit. But it is a cool floor plan. Let's give you a little walkthrough. Hold on. So we have the mid-entry where Jim's leaving. And you get this front living area. The mid-kitchen makes for a really roomy, spacious kitchen. The color scheme in here is absolutely beautiful. It's kind of a bluish gray backdrop. I hope the lighting's getting that. Mid-bath. And the master with lots of storage. Very nice. Adjustable bed. Tiny shower. Split bath with 2 privacy doors on either side. But we're not really considering this. We just thought we're here. We'll let you look at it because we are. What we really came to look at was this Newmar Bay Star. It's the 3014 model. We love it. Isn't it beautiful?
It is beautiful. I love it.
It's a great couples coach, but the only additional sleeping would be the dinette. There's no bunk.
It's not the end of the world.
No, we don't have to have guests. Our kids have their own life. Come on. Yep, they turned it on. So
Vanity?
it's a much more normal bathroom than the other one we ran.
It is.
I'm just going to say that looks a lot nicer than the Airstream shower. Having said that, this is also a lot more expensive than the Airstream. So
That is, yeah, well, but you get a motor.
And it has an engine, that's right. No oven, but we wouldn't have one in the Airstream either. Convection microwave.
Yeah, we were on the fence, right?
Yeah. Cute fridge, though I hear the Whirlpool gives people some troubles.
That comes from a good source. A Newmar expert. Wow, but that is a nice fridge.
It's very residential.
It really
Not
is.
12 volt. It's on this side. Oh, both sides. One of those.
Nah, I don't think it is.
Oh, okay. Ice maker. Ooh. Ice maker.
I like this.
Sold. Okay, this looks to be almost not functional. Oh, no. It's a little deceiving.
See if you can reach back
You
there.
know I can't reach. I don't know that
Come
that's... I cannot touch the back.
Okay.
Also, I have very short arms. But it is deep. And tall enough to put things, you know. You'd have to dig around in there. You have day-night shades, which we've never had.
We've never had.
Hint grand design. Day-night shades would be lovely. One wardrobe. Plenty large for us. These drawers are a little awkward for me that they're under here. Well, that's disappointing for this price. That's not good, right?
No.
The screw's already backing out a little right now. So at this price point, I would expect better, and I would expect no carpet.
Yeah, but I tell you what I do like about that right there.
Everything else.
Now, is that you don't get a fold-a-bed.
That's true.
That's why they do that like that.
That's a fair trade-off. I understand. You do get a little bit of a nightstand.
For a cup of coffee.
But see, not if you're me. Because...
That's true.
Here, I'll be polite because someone will buy this. I'm consider it. I take my shoes off. I would not be sleeping with all these shams. I guess that's okay.
Oh, yeah. That'd be fun.
Like that reenactment.
I do like that reenactment.
Shots of coffee. No great place for a CPAP BiPAP machine.
Is there holes in the...
There are not holes, but there are all these cool light switches. Is there any under the bed storage? Oh, there is.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why you don't often get that with the motorhomes. But it's kind of standard in a fifth wheel or travel trailer. Beautiful.
I like it.
How do the drawers feel to you?
Nice. I mean, they're self-closed.
These back here are janky.
They're kind of self-closed. I think that's a... Yes.
So, not only may I point out is there carpet, it's like white carpet in front of where you're cooking.
That is lame.
That is just not well thought out. And you're over $200,000 on this unit. And I've got to worry about dropping food on wet carpet. Guess where else there's carpet?
Yeah, that makes no sense whatsoever.
Right? So if there's one thing I'm sure of, that's where I'm going to have my shoes on. We don't wear our shoes around the house. We keep house shoes. We're that age. But you're going to get in from the rain, at the gas stations, the truck stops. That's going to get so nasty real quick. The interior's gorgeous. Nice finishes. Really big window.
TV's in the right spot.
TV's in the right spot. But imagine how quickly this is, I mean...
Yeah. No, I don't disagree with you.
Here's a piece of rug they've left, and it's already filthy. And we are on a paved lot, so...
Shampoo. Great floor plan.
Is that comfortable seating?
It is comfortable seating.
A lot more open floor space than the Airstream.
Agreed.
And a billion times more storage. At least.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sorry, a billion and one.
Can we go for 2 yet? That's really good.
How would I look driving this? Last, I think we have found a deal breaker.
Yeah, this is weird. You can go up and down. Oh no,
Jim lied.
Jim lied.
Okay, but back to the deal breaker.
Okay, Amy can't reach the pedals.
I can't reach the brake.
Even all the way in, she can't reach the brake. So.
And okay, so if you do a pedal extension on it, Jim cannot scoot back far enough.
Yeah.
To where we wouldn't have to take the pedal extenders on and off.
Well, we gotta get the Airstream.
All right. Are you in? Do you fit?
Plenty of room in this shower.
So we happened into this little Regency. We've never been in one.
It's like an outdoor shower. I'm looking at the sky.
And I feel like you would only be clean from the neck up because you're not going to reach anything.
Wow.
This is adorable. And someone's taken really good care of it. But perspective is everything. This is $200,000 used.
Boy, the Airstream's looking more and more.
It's like a pretty good bargain, isn't it? Someone forgot their cookie jar. It's so tiny, guys. It's actually kind of hard to film this, but it's cute. Really, really cute. This is an Entegra Quest 24R full body paint. Listed at $50,000 less than what we were just in, but cute. Are you trying to figure out the Murphy bed? There might not be enough battery. Nice floor space in this, though.
Yeah, it is.
And it's very pretty. It feels like a much better value than what we were just looking at for the money. Let's see some of those drawers. Are they deep? They look nice. No. I mean, they're nice, but they're not as deep as the face looks. Hey, I'm gonna give a nod to the Quest for counter space.
Sure.
Usually in a small C or B plus, you have no counter space. That is some good real estate for making sandwiches right there.
That's right.
I love this size though.
I do too.
I really wish we could do this. I need for an engineer to contact me so we can get the floor plan right. Let's see what kind of. Oh, wow. Look how deep that is.
Very nice.
So that would be.
Oh, they fooled you.
That would be your clothing then. I don't see, there are no wardrobes per se.
Oh.
No hanging space.
Okay, but you have the bunk.
Just store everything in the bunk.
Exactly.
That's what we would do.
That's exactly what we do.
Technically, I couldn't reach it, but you could put a bar across there.
Yeah.
And do hanging clothes.
Yeah, short hanging clothes. Your hanging clothes.
And then you could get my clothes down because I couldn't reach them. Oh,
wardrobe.
What?
Yeah. This is all we needed. Let's do it.
Hard time getting to the shower.
Yeah, look, I'm telling you, it's.
Don't stand still though. Like move your arms around. You have to.
I don't get the views I got in the Regency. Oh yeah, totally doable.
See if you can open these upper cabinets. I wonder if there's a lock or something. I literally cannot.
Huh.
You can't either. I think there's a lock or something.
Yep.
Oh. Is there a button?
There's a hinge.
Oh, gotcha. That's deep.
I'm intrigued, Amy. I'm intrigued. This might take us in another direction.
Wonder if I can reach the pedals in these. Okay, no carpet. Thank you. $100,000 less than a Newmar. No carpet. Already don't. Oh, it's Mercedes too.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh yeah. I'm not even all the way up and I can reach.
Really?
I've fully compressed the brake.
Press start. See if the keys are in it.
Let's take it for an authorized test drive. No, they're not that dumb. Okay, right. I can totally drive. Oh, look what they're giving me.
Oh.
Where's it go? Oh, it's not. It's a camera.
But I know, but you'll like that, right?
Sure. I'm driving.
Let me call. What's her name?
She gave
Chloe?
me her card. No, I think it's Amber. I think it's Amber. You want to take a bet?
Okay.
Get your card out.
I don't think it's Chloe.
It is Amber.
Oh,
Let's find out. What's your name?
I don't know. That wasn't the card. Did she give it to you or me?
She gave it to you.
You sure?
No, but pretty good.
Check your pockets. Here's what I would like to do.
Car key.
I would like to get Chloe / Amber /
It's Amber.
Crystal. I'd like her to bring the keys. I want to see this bed because that bed might be just.
That I'll give you, but otherwise.
Well, go ahead. Go through my pocket.
You've got the card. Wow, Jim. Seriously?
Wait. No.
You've had it like 15 minutes, huh?
She gave it to you.
She did not. I don't even have pockets in my pants. I don't trust electrician's tape. Maybe gaffer tape. Definitely duct tape.
Yeah, but
electrician tape gonna hold me up?
No. For some reason, maybe they made it thicker. But look, it's.
Okay, but I'm afraid if I step on this and this wood breaks,
it's not wood.
I'm gonna feel bad about myself.
It's not the wood. This is what I'm saying. The metal is still intact.
It does kind of hurt your feet.
Well, that's probably. This is what I was saying.
Again, if you make me mad, and we need time apart, I, in theory, could get up here.
With Gadsby.
No, and close the curtain. But I see nowhere for a curtain. If you're ever going to buy anything with a bunk, get in the bunk. So over in this corner, the seams have separated from the wall and the ceiling a little. And I mean, it's just plastic, but I'm just saying. There is the curtain. I'm going to need someone much smarter than Amy to figure out where it goes. I will say, this memory foam thing's comfortable that I'm laying on.
Hey, I'm going to go get, what's your name?
Amber. Just stand outside and yell Amber and see if she comes. I got to get down. I found the Velcro. It was where Jim was standing, so Jim should have found the Velcro, but I found it. It's to go across here. To give you privacy from the cab area.
Look at it. 29 in.
But it's not 29 feet. I'd say this is, I'm going to say 30, 31 feet.
Okay, I'm going to say 29. Because
that never works out, but okay.
See, this is why I wanted to look. compared to that 24 feet.
Oh yeah, see.
You see, this is why I wanted to come back.
But the smaller ones are more expensive. It's like a designer handbag. The smaller they are, the pricier they get.
Can I have my phone?
And this is the same floor plan. If you like the floor plan, Winnebago does this. Bay Star does this. This is a Bay Star 3014 floor plan.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's just about $100,000 less. I'm sure there's multiple reasons why. $100,000 less. We're at an Entegra,
That's true.
head to head with the Newmar Bay Star. Okay? Same floor plan. And I'm sure there are many reasons the Newmar is $100,000 more than this one.
Yeah.
The
Oh.
finishes are much higher level. I'm sure the motor, something with the engine. But let's talk about what the $100,000 less one has that the Bay Star doesn't have. Amy can reach. Amy can reach both pedals and adjust the seat accordingly. This is helpful when driving. Jim
This
has a desk.
as a desk. It's not a great desk, but it's still a desk.
At least it's a desk,
And look, 120 power right here.
right?
USB. Okay, in the Bay Star you do get a charging port. Cup holder. This would be a nice ride.
I would like to point out there's no carpet
That's big.
in the cab area,
Yeah.
which is huge. White carpet in the Bay Star cab area, or very, very pale beige. That's going to look bad so quickly. And no carpet throughout. Now, admittedly, you have some designer touches in that Bay Star. We love it. We're not knocking on the Bay Star.
Not at all.
It's just always shocking when you're in these, the price variances and what you're getting for your money.
Air who?
I don't know. It's an impossible comparison because it is not an apples to apples comparison.